In this video, we're taking an honest look at Mobirise, the popular offline website builder that promises an easy drag-and-drop experience for beginners, and while it certainly delivers simplicity with a clean interface and a wide range of pre-built blocks, it's important to understand its real strengths and limits before choosing it for serious projects. Mobirise shines for users who need small business sites, landing pages, or portfolios without touching code, and the fact that it works offline gives you full control over your files. But many users online point out that although the core builder is free, most high-quality themes and extensions come at an additional cost, which can add up if you need features like advanced forms, e-commerce, or integrations. Exporting sites is flexible, but customization beyond the provided blocks can feel restricted unless you're comfortable editing HTML and CSS manually. Performance largely depends on how you structure your pages, since some templates use heavy elements, and while Mobirise doesn't lock you into hosting, you'll still rely on external providers for security, backups, and uptime. Overall, Mobirise is a solid option for beginners wanting a quick, code-free start, but professionals or large projects may find it limiting compared to fully featured builders. Stick around and subscribe for more clear, honest tech reviews.